How much will EV car makers lose in credits? The nation's corporate average fuel economy, or CAFE, standards are still in place. However, penalties for violating those standards have been removed. So obviously, there's really no incentive for any car maker to abide by them. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is focusing on standards to try to make cars more affordable. But the big EV car makers, I will call them the big three, which are Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid, well, they're going to have some difficulties. The credits were tradable, and the EV car makers are making a lot of money selling the credits to car makers who were not meeting the required standards. Tesla, they'll probably be okay, but I think their stock could be at risk because the credits, well, they amounted to more than $12 billion in revenue since 2008. And that is essentially, well, that's pretty much pure profit going to the bottom line. In the most recent quarter, Tesla said a loss of the credit revenue reduced their revenue by $1.1 billion. Another EV maker, Rivian, whose stock price in May finally showed some signs of hoping to go up and trading above $16 a share, well, it's now dropped back down to $12 a share, as said that they had received over $400 million in revenue over the years, and the credits, well, they accounted for 6.5% of the total revenue in the first half of 2025. Now, I do believe with the loss of the credits and lower gas prices, Rivian, well, they may be in trouble staying afloat in future years. Lucid, well, they'll probably hurt the most, as they said the credits represented a significant share of the revenue. I have not looked at this company recently, but I still believe the balance sheet looks a little bit shaky, a little bit risky there, and this could be the final nail in the coffin for this business. Now, a couple of years ago, the stock was trading around $4 a share. Is now trading just above $2 a share. I'm pretty confident we will not see this company around the next 2, maybe 3 years. Who's the winners here? Well, the winners in this situation are the legacy automakers that were buying the credit. GM, for example, has spent $3.5 billion since 2022 to purchase these CAFE credits, which they no longer have to do. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.